Good morning students. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 11. Our need for air. Yes. So our need for air. Let's see. Now student, can you tell me, can we see air? Can we see air? We cannot see air. No. So can you tell me, can we feel air? Have you feel air? Yes, we can feel air. Now can you tell me, can we smell air? Can we smell air or not? What will be the answer? No. Can we taste air? Can we taste air? Tell me student. No. Does air have color? Does air have color? Have you seen anybody? No. Is air all around us? Air is there? Is around us? Yes. Air is there in everywhere. So air is a natural source. So a riddle to solve. There are some things there is to be found. Up and down and all around, you can touch it, you can search it, and you can see it. But sure as sure, you can name it. What is that? What is mean that? Means air. Now, blow a balloon. What do you feel into it? Blow a balloon. When you blow the balloon, when we celebrate the birthday party, what do? You do the decoration at home while blowing the balloon. What will happen when we blow in the balloon? What will happen? It inflates. Means what? When you blow too much, what will it become? It bursts and what will become? So, air. There is air all around us, though we can feel it and we can see it. Air does not have color, smell or taste. It does not have smell or taste. Then, new terms. Inhalation. We breathe in air. We breathe in air through our nose. That is inhalation. म्हणजे काय? We breathe in air through our nose. नाकातनं आपण काय घेतोय? We breathe in air through the nose. Means what? That is called inhalation. And we breathe out air through the nose. That is exhalation. Means what? We breathe in air. आपण श्वास घेतो ना? We take loudly breathe, inhalation, and we breathe out air through the nose. Means we are not taking breath inside, we are throwing out them outside. That is called exhalations. So what is respirations? Inhalation and exhalations are together called breathing. We breathe continuously. That is called respiration. We breathe continuously. We need air. Otherwise, we will not live or we will not survive. So, we also inhale and exhale. We also inhale and exhale during the sleep. So, we can see that when a man is sleeping quietly, why do we see his chest going up and down? For example, have you seen dog sleeping? When dog is sleeping, her chest is also going up and down. Means what you do, he breathes continuously. Then look here, why do we breathe? We need our body to function properly. We need air for that purpose. When we breathe in, we take air into our body. Air makes us feel fresh and lovely. Air is necessary for our body to get the vigor, we not to work properly. Like us, all other living things also need air. All other living things also need air. If you look carefully, we can see a dog chest also going up and down. It tells us that the animal also breathe. Means what? That animal also breathe. Aquatic animals, plants, insects, they also need a breath. They also need a air. Now, do you know fish live in water? It makes one wonder how they get the air to breathe. But fish are able to use the air that is dissolved in water. Some people keep fish in a glass fish tank. In somebody's house, they are having a fish tank. It is called an aquarium. It is always full of water. The fish in the aquarium use the air dissolved in the water for breathing. Means fish need the air for breathing, for dissolving water. As a result, the amount of air dissolved in the water can get reduced. If all the air was used up, the fish would die. Therefore, more air is continuously added to the water in the aquarium. That is why we see air bubble rising up to the water in such a fish tank. Now student, try this at home. Take a glass, then half full of clean water. Take a glass and half full of clean water. Take a small piece of newspaper. Take a small piece of newspaper sheet. Roll it to make a straw for about 10 centimeter long. You have to take a paper sheet and you have to make a what? You have to make a straw. Dip one end of the straw into the water. Dip one end means one and you keep up down and see a straw into the water. To the other end, blow into it with your mouth. You blow with your mouth. What do you see? Bubble rises up in the water. What will happen? You see, you do this at home and student, you just tell me. And what does this tell us? You blew air into the water. This air rose up and escaped in the form of bubbles. What we have learned? There is air everywhere. We cannot see it with our eyes. Air does not have color, smell or taste. Living things need air for respiration. So always remember, every day one must spend some time playing an open playground to get fresh air. So every day one must spend some time playing an open playground to get fresh air. Means what? You have to play at least one time on your ground to get your fresh air. Nobody has seen for air, but it has no color, no smell and no taste. Now look here student, I have written your hard words. So look here. First is glass, water, pure, transparent, solid, liquid, oxygen, carbon dioxide, potassium, sugar, transparent, opaque, steam, smell, taste, gaseous, substance, atmosphere, moisture, jaggery. You have to learn these hard words. Read the lesson and I have given the question answer also. You have to write in your notebook as well as your reliable book. So read the lesson, learn these hard words. I hope you understood this lesson student. Thank you.